Okay, so when you're going to create a title page, I'm going to show you how to view the non-printing characters because I think it's easier to tell what's actually centered and what has a bunch of spaces in front of it. So you go to View, Show Non-Printing Characters, and that's just handy to have on when you're doing formatting. You want about 5 spaces from the top of the page. Then you'll have your student code, whatever your IB student code is. Your research question will go here, but because it's a question and not a title, we're not going to capitalize it. And you do need sure to make sure that it ends in a question mark. Then you're going to have your about 5 more spaces, and then your subject focus. If you're doing a single subject, you might just have film, in which case you would delete those parts and then just have your word count. If you're doing an interdisciplinary subject, so you would take out the subject focus, you might have history and film or literature and film, and then you'll have your framework here. And if you want to like bold those or do something like that, you can. And then your word count will go right below that. Remember, in your word count, you don't need to count citations, your title page, subheadings, or your works cited page. So if you're a little close on your word count, that's a nice way to save.